Hey everyone, I saw Robin over at Crafting with Passions do a unboxing video, and by the way, Crafting with Passions is doing a giveaway when she reaches 100 subscribers, and it's really good. You need to go watch her video. So anyway, she got such great stuff, I decided I was going to do it too. My box came today. Look how the mailman bought my box. I mean, what's with this? I hope everything's in there. And, you know, it's none of their problem, not Dreamz's problem that this happened, because the mail sucks. So, it's really heavy. I need to tear the box up now since it already is, and take stuff out of it. Okay, let's see what this is. Well, this is super heavy, and it is a mystery box, so oh, I love them. I have all of their, well, almost, I think I have all their stamps. This is the little gorgeous girls, and it's a craft card compendium, something like that. Let me get my glasses, for heaven's sake. Isn't this awesome? I still can't read even with my glasses on. I need to go back to a different eye doctor. I went to Vision World or something like that. Oh, America's Best. They just popped up. And my glasses don't work. They don't work. I need to go back to my regular eye doctor. Next, I got gosh, I can't remember how much I paid for it. It wasn't a lot, guys. And when I saw what Robin got, I said, whoa, you got... They say you're going to get $200 to $300 worth of products. Oh, look at these little bows. Aren't they adorable? You know, this box here might get me back in the crafting mood. Washi tape. Pretty cool. And some of the things you see come out of here, you will see again. Bingo. Oh, wow. Resist chalk edgers. This is pretty cool. I had thought about buying these, and this is by Prima, and I don't know, I just kept holding off buying them, but now I get to try them. This is cool. You know, guys, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. If I had been to another website and bought these items, I've already pulled out the value. Oh, I have hit pay dirt. Y'all know me and my stamps. Oh, look at that, baby. Okay, I have already shown you more than I paid for the box in value, and it's still coming. Look at the baby and the little baby deer. I love them. The Jane Davenport girl and the flowers. This might go in my Christmas bingos. I think I have them. Oh, look at this. Blue Fern Studios. I'm not going to tell y'all what's going into the bingo. You just find out. Oh, I love this one. Okay. Now, everything else I pull out of here, I'm considering it free because I've already gotten more in value than what I paid. Oh my god. Look at this. A4 Rose Quartz paper pad by Prima. I don't know if I can show it without popping the seal. But these are the papers. This is beautiful. And this is the type that I use a lot of, so that's great. I haven't got anything yet, though, saying E. Oh, I got more paper. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. This is so cute. You guys seeing this? This is simply adorable. I will be a customer of theirs because even with, you know, buying it outright, I was looking at their prices and it's not bad. World of Christmas Special Christmas Edition Coloring Book. Oh, look at this. Lots and lots of words you can cut out. Cool. Okay. Now, good heavens. Oh, the Tim Holtz stencils. Stampers Anonymous. Look at these. Blah, blah, blah. There's an embossing pad. Yeah, there's an embosser and a stamp, it looks like. This is cool. Looks like a Christmas present. Anybody have a birthday coming up? Buy you one of these mystery boxes. Okay. A lot in this one. Oh, look at her. And I have not seen her before in the girls. Oh, here's the second one of this Jane Davenport's. Oh. Tell me something. Dragonfly Repeat. This is so cute. So cute. I'm going to use that packaging. Oops. God. Decorative tapes. So it's more washi tape. And I'm assuming this is the baby thing was put on it. So I have a friend that does baby journals. I'll send that to her. My goodness, it just keeps coming. Oh, here's the welcome baby stickers. Stick out with that. It's planner stickers, Prima Planner. This is cool. And here's Prima Planner goodie pack. Wow. I think you all agree. This is definitely a couple $100 worth. Alright, here's the last item. Drum roll, please. Oh, Magic Love Frank. I can't read it. Paper pad. Look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Wow, 8 double-sided designs, 32 sheets, 4 sheets each. And the colors are amazing. I don't have anything here. Yes, I do. Come on. Look at these papers. Good gravy, this is beautiful. Wow, lots and lots of use for these. And they are two-sided, and like you said, there's 4 sheets each. Yeah, this is an awesome way to get some Christmas gifts and stuff, is to buy these mystery boxes from them and then split it up for your crafting friends and yourself. Because I think I only got one double. Yeah, this is the only double I got. So, yeah, it's a great deal. If I was you, I'd want to get one. I'm going to look for their link and put it in the description. Are you still watching? If you are, you're going to learn something now that nobody that didn't finish watching will know. I have decided, I've edited the video and come back on. I have decided I am going to order another one, because for bingo for October and November, all of the prizes will be wrapped. Nobody will know what they're getting until they receive it. But what I've asked people to do is send in a handmade item or a new item, so that people will receive Christmas gifts to put under their tree, because a lot of people live by themselves. They don't have Christmas. So I thought this will be a happy thing to do for them, is the winners of bingo will be able to get, you know, a few little prizes to put under their tree. Starting October and November and December. For those months, you can only win once during the night. That way it gives everybody a chance to get a gift. But back in January, we'll go back to, you can win as many games as you want. But let's let everybody have a chance to get a Christmas present. And please don't get angry over it and say it's not fair, because it is fair. It's very fair. It's not fair when you're giving out Christmas presents to let one person win 10 and nobody and others not get any. So I hope you will support it. I hope you will keep playing and not leave as soon as you win your first prize, because, well, your first Christmas present, because you can come back the next week and win another one. It's just one per week, just for October, November. September, October, and November. We're going to restrict it to one prize a night. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to order another box, because the donations have been few and far between coming in. And hopefully get some really, really nice Christmas presents for the people who come and support my channel and play bingo every Monday night at 8. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.